What's up, bullish friends? I hope you guys are all doing great out there today. And man, I want to share a couple really awesome things today. The first thing is, you guys are fantastic. You guys actually, let me just show you here. You put this channel up over 200 subscribers as of yesterday, and I greatly appreciate each and every one of you that came on board and hit that subscribe button and joined in. I'm growing this channel in hopes to help everyone out there earn and grow their own passive income online. And it means a lot to me to have you guys come onto this channel and be part of this and grow this together. So thank you guys so much. We went over 200. We're at 218 right now. And here's to 100,000 plus. So let's keep pushing and get there. I've got big goals for this, and I want lots and lots of people to come on this journey and make lots of money together. And that's the goal, and I appreciate every single person. I just wanted to throw that out there before I really dove into this video. But really, this video is going to be kind of a love fest because I want to share a couple other things. So I'm in DRIP, and a lot of you, if you're coming to this video, you're probably in DRIP. And I love tons of things about this entire network. And aside from the fact that DRIP pays out 1% every single day, because honestly, what's not to love about that? And it's a network that has paid that since day one without interruption. And Forex Shark and the team behind DRIP are doing exactly what they promised to do. They said this is what this platform would do. It's going to keep paying this out, and it's paid that out consistently ever since its creation. And that is awesome. So no matter what point that we've gotten involved and we jumped in on DRIP, we've jumped in on this journey wherever we did, and we're going to grow with this network. And then with the upcoming animal farm ecosystem and all that about to really explode in October, I think this is going to get even bigger. And of course, everyone's seeing that now, how big that's going to get. And I'm not even in Animal Farm yet. So that's something I need to change. I need to fix that here soon. And I'm actually going to jump in here and put some money in that as well, because I actually have not done anything in there yet. So, I've been focused on growing DRIP and being part of this. And I'm actually in several dozen things that I haven't even brought up on this channel yet. So I'm trying to just put my money where I can. So I'm not in every single thing I need to be in yet, but eventually, and coming up here soon, I'm going to jump in and get in an animal farm as well. Now, I want to talk real quick about something that I have not done here yet. I have not even tried to build my team. I have 2 people on my team so far on DRIP. And that's something that I do want to change because obviously, A, I think I can provide great value to this community, and B, part of growing DRIP and part of growing this community is actually bringing people into your team. So that being said, what I'm going to do going forward to build my team is something that's going to help my team out. And I'm looking to, so basically every week, I'm going to take 10% of my deposit that I have in. So every week right now, and I'm going to keep growing my wallet, but right now I have 524 DRIP in my deposits. So I'm earning 5.2 DRIP every single day right now. So what I'm going to do is at the end of every week, and I don't know if we'll do this on a Friday or Saturday, maybe you guys can let me know in the comments below what day I should do this on, but I'm going to take 7 days worth of DRIP. So whatever I'm getting per day, so it would be, say roughly 36 tokens, 36 DRIP a week right now. I'm going to take 10% of that, and I'm going to airdrop to one of my team members. Now, I know that doesn't seem like a lot, but when I only have a couple, right now I have 2 team members. So right now there's a 50-50 chance that you're getting a payout every single week. Now, obviously, as my team grows, that chance will go down, but I'm going to keep growing my wallet and keep sending out airdrops every week. I really want to do this weekly. I'm trying to think of what I want to say there, but I really want to make sure I'm honoring my team every single week as this grows. And of course, once I have 5 people on my team, I can do a team airdrop. So right now I can't do that, but I can individually send out drip to one person every single week. So if you are interested and you don't have a team yet and you want to get on my team, join up, send me a message, let me know that you joined up. And I'll see as people join the team as well. And then let's say this Friday or Saturday, we can pick a date below. I'll send the first airdrop and then next week, and I'll just keep doing that. And then as the team grows, we'll look at how I'm going to keep doing more airdrops and what we're going to do to grow that as well. But that's just kind of like my preliminary thought here. And I want to grow a team that can also depend on me doing regular airdrops. Because I know I've seen some, teams out there where people will say that they've joined a team and they've never gotten an airdrop, or they've joined a team and it's even a small team and they never get an airdrop. And, I think Drip is all about the community and building an awesome community. So that being said, speaking about an awesome community, I do want to share with you guys, let me go up here. So I want to give a shout out to Crypto Fergie. Dude has come over to my channel several times and dropped an awesome comment on my videos, and he puts out great drip videos as well. Go check his channel out. Fantastic stuff. Appreciate you, dude. Thank you for coming over here and hanging out with us. Also, another good channel, Unmade Sugar DeFi. Seems like a really good dude. Good walkthroughs, good teaching. Really like what he's all about too. Give him a follow. And Crypto Mark 7, doing an awesome job over here on the channel, has been real supportive of my channel as well. Go give him a follow. Like the video. Basically, let's just keep this community growing. Let's keep everyone who is supportive of Drip. Let's just, I'm not telling everyone to go give everyone a big hug, but let's be supportive of the people that are helping this ecosystem grow, because we need this community to keep growing, and it takes all of us. And that's what I love about Drip, the community feel to it. Everyone's involved, and we're all just trying to do the same thing and grow together. That being said, also, if you come over to my team, you don't have a team yet, I greatly appreciate it. And I'm going to start getting out, and I'll probably film this every week. I'll start doing out airdrops every single week to my team. So you guys are awesome. Thank you again. We hit that 200 mark. Here's to another 100,000 plus. Let's just keep growing, and we'll hit milestones all along the way. But thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next video.